How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Rockwood Signature. This is going to be their 361 RLS floor plan. So we are going to start at your pass-through storage, or the basement as some people call it. You have a lot of space underneath here, which is really nice. It goes all the way through. Nice lights all throughout, so you can actually see what you're grabbing. Water heater right next to that. Below your entry door, you do have some nice solid steps as well as a nice big grab handle. Taking a look at those tires, this camper is dual axle. And then as we take a step back, we have two awnings over this fifth wheel. Covers almost the whole campsite of the trailer, as well as one slide out. At the back corner over here, you do have a little spray port as well as your LP disconnect. And then at the back of this fifth wheel, if you look up, you have your battery disconnect switch as well as a nice heavy duty ladder. Down below you have your hitch receiver, as well as a little outdoor storage and a 50 amp power cord plug-in. Moving to the driver's side, we have two slide outs over here, so 3 slides all together. You do have some storage, as well as access to your ice maker valve from the back of your fridge. Gives you super easy access. You have your heat exhaust as well as your water station, and then next to that you have the other side of your pass-through storage, which is where you'll find your electronic leveling system. Propane tanks to the left of that. And then at the very front of this fifth wheel, you're gonna have your Kurt Rotaflex heavy duty hitch. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper to the right of your entry door, you're going to find your dinette right away. So you have 2 drawers underneath, and it does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. To the right of that, you're gonna find your theater seating, which is directly across from your entertainment center. So you have 4 cup holders, as well as some remote storage in the middle, and that does recline. At the very back, you're going to find a couch. Now this couch is a tri-fold couch, so it does fold into a bed, and you do have windows surrounding it, storage up above, cute little accent lights, and then as far as entertainment center goes, you have your smart TV, of course, fireplace down below. In your kitchen, you have your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven down below. You have a couple of little hidden features here, so you have a pull-out trash can with a cutting board above it, which is super cute. You also have built-ins for your silverware drawers, single basin sink, and then you have your residential style fridge. As far as your pantry goes, you do have a lot of storage up in here, and these shelves are adjustable if you need to do so. Cute little coffee bar to the right of that, and then going up these stairs here, we're gonna run into our control panel. So it's beautifully covered up, so it's not in the way all the time. And then we're gonna go into your bathroom. So you have a sink with your medicine cabinet up above, huge shower with a skylight for a little bit of extra headroom, couple of cabinets here, as well as your toilet, which is porcelain, down below. At the very front of this fifth wheel, we're gonna find your main bedroom. So this is a king size bed. You do have outlets and chargers on either side, as well as windows and night lights with a little bit of storage up above. For wardrobes, you have a little shoe rack inside here. It's actually really deep, which is really nice. And then to the right of that, you're going to have your washer and dryer prep. Now, if you don't want your washer and dryer prep, it can just be more storage for you. Right across from the bed, you do have a smart TV as well as a couple windows and a little bit more cabinetry. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Rockwood 361 RLS. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hidden features here, so you have a pull-out trash can with a cutting board above it, which is super cute. You also have built